Hello, this is Davide Rivetti, owner of the Massimo Rivetti Family Farm in Neive, Piedmont, Italy. Today I will explain you the method of the sexual confusion. It is a natural method of combating grape worms. The idea is to disrupt mating between male and female butterflies by dispensing an artificial pheromone in the vineyards, which mimics the natural chemical produced by the females to attract males. We place them just before the butterflies arrive in spring each year. The male butterflies can't locate the females, which means less mating and fewer eggs, which result in fewer caterpillars and less damage to the grapes. It is a very efficient method which, if adopted for a few years on very large surface, allows the population to be reduced and the problem solved without chemical intervention.